Hey there, it's Leia of A Touch of Glam. Welcome or welcome back. In today's video, come with us as we deck the halls with Christmas cheer, as we decorate our living room and entryway this Christmas. Not only am I going to show you how I decorated our living room for Christmas, but I'm also going to show you some little extra details to add to your space, that elevated look to make it look extra special. But before we continue with the Christmas decorating, this video is in collaboration with Rose Forever. I have collaborated with Rose Forever many times before, and I cannot seem to get enough of their beautiful, long-lasting, beautiful roses. Rose Forever brings a unique style of luxury and elegance and provides superior quality artisan roses in a box for any occasion. Rose Forever arrangements are unique, luxurious, and elegant, representing the classic Parisian style. In today's video, they have sent me their 49 perfectly pearl pink roses in their black suede box for me to enjoy this Christmas. Each Rose Forever creation is artfully curated with a touch of elegance, tailored to your every need. I have had my 3 boxes of roses for more than a year now, and I could truly say they have been staying perfectly beautiful and still smelling like fresh picked roses. They are doing their biggest sale of the year till the end of November, and wants to also give you an extra discount that I will provide for you on the description box below. Make Rose Forever your beautiful centerpiece for your table this Christmas and enjoy long-lasting, luxurious, stunning roses that you can enjoy for years to come. Now on to the most wonderful time of the year. Christmas means so much to us, and we are overjoyed to share with you all how we have decorated our living room and entryway this Christmas. This year, we wanted to feel Christmas like we were in a pure, sparkling white, snowy forest. As gleaming and glittering light shines radiance in our trees, in remembrance of a perfect and pure baby born to give light to this world, our Savior Jesus Christ. We hope this video gives you the ideas and inspirations to decorate any part of your home this Christmas. So if you want to see how we have done so, please continue watching till the end to see how we have decorated this living room and entryway, and for the final reveal. I want to thank you in advance for being here. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy and got tons of ideas on how to decorate your living room and entryway with all that we shared in today's video. Please don't forget to show some love by clicking that thumbs up button and share this video with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed yet, I hope you do so. I would love to have you be part of our Glam family. And to all my amazing, beautiful friends who are like a family to us, that has always been with us, thank you so much for your continued love and support. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Stay positive and kind. God bless you all abundantly. Bye!